Hello po mga ka-JSNABs. Meron pong bagong memorandum na inilabas ang Department of Education. Ito po ay tungkol sa reclassification ng mga qualified personnel to school principal 1 position. Ito po ay update ng expanded career progression program ng DepEd na kung saan nakasaad dito sa DepEd memorandum na ito na inaatasan yung mga regional directors at saka mga superintendents na ayusin na yung mga reclass ng mga posisyon sa head teachers, assistant school principals, teacher in charge na merong designation na school head, yung kanilang immediate reclassification at saka retitling of qualified incumbent to appropriate school principal positions. So yan, minamadali na talaga na maging principal yung mga position na wala na sa expanded career progression. So makikita nyo sa screen yung mga qualification para maging principal. Yan po yung QA, yung QS, yung qualification standard. So minimum po yan na education ay master's degree, may 5 years teaching experience, at saka merong 1 year relevant experience in any of the following learning area coordination. So yan, sa supervision, school management, operations, and instructional supervision. Tapos merong 32 hours na training in any or cumulative of the following curriculum: pedagogy, school management and operations, instructional leadership. So alam na ito ng mga, siyempre mga TIC head teachers, alam na nila yan. Yung sa akin lang ay yung sa hindi pa pala nilalabas yung yung guidelines on the implementation of the expanded career progression system of teachers and school heads. Kaya ito nagkaroon ng memorandum na ito. So kasi nga ay nasa transition period pa tayo para sa full implementation nitong expanded career progression system for teachers and school heads. So yan po yung update mga ka-JSNABs. So yung nag-aabang ng Teacher 4, Teacher 5 at Teacher 6 and 7 ay hindi pa po ito ini-implement. Guys, hanggang dito lang po muna. Thank you for having me. Paki-subscribe naman po kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel. Bye-bye!